Good morning. Today we are going to learn lesson number 5, Rain from Nature Study. There are many seasons on earth like summer, winter and rainy season. But my favorite season is rainy season, and I know you also like this season very much. It starts in month of June and end in September. So let's start. Rain is very useful. It gives us water to drink and to use. It helps our crops and plants to grow. In rainy season, we use umbrellas, raincoat and gumboot. It gives us water to drink and to use. Means we use water for drinking, bathing, brushing, washing utensil, cleaning, washing cars and for so many things. We need water to live and to grow. It helps our crops and plants to grow. Rainy season is very important for farmers. The crops of this season depend on rainwater. Apart from us, animals and plants also depend on rain. That means only we don't need water to grow, but small plants and animals also need water to grow. Thank you.